IREN is looking ready to rocket back up to most recent highs. I think there's a really good chance we're going to see a 30 to 40% move within the next 1 to 2 months. We've been covering this on the channel and on our X for the past couple of days. And today something really important happened, confirming the higher chance that a bottom is now in. Now, the reason that we're bullish on this stock in the first place is that we are currently trading in a bull cycle. You guys are going to see that the most recent version of this cycle started back here in May of 2026. Now, you'll also notice that in most cases, about 60% of the time, price is going to go on a 90% plus rally. You'll see that since this cycle happened, price has pulled back and we are now testing potential support. So in order for me to take a position, the first thing that has to happen is we need to know that we are in a bull cycle. Now, the second thing is I want to start looking at the smaller time frame. Let's move into the daily. You're going to see that IREN over the past couple of weeks moves in a very simple structural manner. You have massive expansions, massive consolidations and pullbacks, massive expansions, massive pullbacks. And this is actually very healthy. Most people will look at this and be like, oh, that's not good. No, this is healthy. We're constantly making higher highs, higher lows. Expectation now is higher high. You'll see that after the entry of this new cycle, price does not sweep that previous resistance. Price pulls back into support. And now for the first time since the new cycle has occurred, we are getting an increase on the daily BX trender. The last time that this happened, price rallied in just 9 days about 30+%. And so I think there is a really high chance that this is the bottom for IREN. I am expecting in the next probably 3 to 4 weeks a 30% move to the upside, and I am currently long. If you guys want to learn how to tell if a stock is bullish or bearish on your own using our bull cycle criteria and our indicators, the link to our free bull cycle trading blueprint is down in the description. You'll get access to both the 33 fair value band and the monthly BX overlay, learn how to set them up, configure them to our settings, and you'll be able to instantly tell if a stock is bullish or bearish based off of our framework.